हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। ये वाला वीडियो होने वाला है स्टडी ग्राइंड व्लॉग। दिस इज़ नॉट अ व्लॉग, दिस इज़ जस्ट स्टडी एंड ग्राइंड बिकॉज आई हैव 3 एग्ज़ाम्स बैक टू बैक विद जस्ट 1 day ऑफ गैप इन बिटवीन ईच ऑफ देम। एंड मेरा पहला एग्ज़ाम परसों है एंड आई हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड स्टडीइंग yet. I am tired. I don't want to study. I want to sleep. I want to watch The Mentalist. I actually watched a whole episode of it and now I am here to study. We are going to log in for, it's currently 5:40 and we are going to log in till 7:40. My lovely mother made me mango milkshake. Well, you're probably wondering how I ended up here, but मुझे अभी अपना एडमिट कार्ड प्रिंट आउट कराने जाना है बिकॉज माई एग्ज़ाम इज़ एट 9 AM टमोरो एंड मैंने कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा है भाई, इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी। लाइक I don't know shit. Maybe the common sense ones I can do it by myself, but otherwise I haven't studied shit and I've been procrastinating so much. I fucking hate myself for it, but well, here we are. Machar. So now I have to go get my admit card printed out, and I kid you not, I feel like I'm seeing things. Okay, see, the thing is, I love my dad, okay? I love him, but staying at home with him, it's becoming a little insufferable. Like, bhai, har 2 second mein he just walks into my room, babbles something, and walks away. And it's getting a little annoying, and I get it, you're just trying to hang out with me, but brother, मेरे भी तो एग्ज़ाम्स हैं। तो मैं कितनी चौड़ लग रही हूँ, but yes, I'm back from getting my admit. Oops, I don't think I should be putting this out there. Never mind. But yes, I got my admit card printed out and I haven't studied a thing. और मेरा बहुत बड़ा syllabus है. I feel like killing myself. I feel like such an idiot. But looks like we're going to have to pull an all-nighter today. And thank God for caffeine pills which are going to save me. मैंने सोचा मैं इसको, कॉफ़ी को और रेड बुल को मिक्स कर लेती हूँ, बट फिर मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि कहीं मेरा हार्ट अटैक स्पीड रन ना हो जाए. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टिक विद दिस राइट नाउ. तो आई डोंट फील लाइक आई नीड इट. maybe I'll make a really diluted coffee to get me going for a while. And ये तो मैं भाई सुबह लेने वाली हूँ because without this I feel like I'm going to crash tomorrow during the exam, and I don't want that because this is a really important exam and I'm not gonna fail it. I'm not that dumb, but I haven't studied anything either. Okay, all update. अभी मैंने I finished doing one unit almost. There's still one part left. I finished doing 5 parts of it and I'm feeling fine. अभी मेरा exhaustion kicking नहीं कर रहा है. I still have 3 units to go though. I'm regretting not studying earlier. कोई point नहीं है. Although I am a little thirsty. I just watched that clip, bro. I have been breaking out so much. पता है ऑनेस्टली मैंने ही नज़र लगाई है बिकॉज मैं अपनी दोस्त को कह रही थी कि ओ माई गॉड लुक माई स्किन इज़ सो क्लियर, यू नो मैंगोज़ खा के मुझे कुछ नहीं होता. आई हैड 2 mangoes and I made that whole, you know, rice paper mochi ice cream mango trend and my face has been breaking out so much and it's making me cry. Look at my forehead, there's one on my chin and there's one below my nose and it hurts. It hurts.
6.5 hours later.
I'm so late. It's my exam today. Well, when I say I'm late, I mean I'll be like dot on time. The exam starts at 9 and I might be there at 9. But yeah, it's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot. I'm so overstimulated. I'm an idiot, I missed my train. क्योंकि मेरे कार्ड में वो validated नहीं था and I was going to get it done the other day but I did not and this is my karma for not getting it done. So hey, hydrate. Nobody is going to ask me how my paper went. कोई मुझसे नहीं पूछेगा कि मेरा पेपर कैसा गया बिकॉज लेट मी टेल यू आज मैंने 45 पेपर लिखे हैं 45 पेजेस फॉर अ ब्लडी 90 मार्क पेपर. मेरे हाथ ना ऐसे लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू बी लाइक दिस फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ बिकॉज माई हैंड हैज़ बिन क्रैम्ड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू लुक लाइक अ टिरानोसोरस. अब मेरे से पूछेगा नहीं कोई कि पेपर कैसा गया. ऑल दैट मैटर्स इज़ कि गया. पेपर कैसा गया नहीं, पेपर गया. ओके सो इट्स द नेक्स्ट डे एंड मेरा इकोनॉमिक्स का पेपर हो चुका है और कल मेरा एथिक्स का पेपर है एंड आई थिंक एथिक्स इज़ comparatively easier to economics, although economics was not easy this time. Ethics भी मुझे कुछ मतलब it's easy but there's a lot for me to study and I do not like that about it and I'm so done. I was literally hallucinating yesterday morning and I took the worst decision and told my parents about it. So now they thought they legit think that I saw a spirit. I'll tell you what happened. So मैं कल सुबह उठी like I was heading towards college right. I had my exam yesterday, the economics paper. I was heading towards the lift and like I live in a apartment. So यहाँ पे हमारा फ्लैट है and हमारे फ्लैट के just सामने वाला घर पे ही there's a old couple that lives. Okay. So the auntie, I was going towards the lift and the auntie was coming out of the lift. तो वो घर की तरफ आ रही थी and I was going towards the lift and I was near the lift but I was not so near कि मुझे दरवाजे से दिखे. So I was near the lift and she was coming home and I said namaste auntie because obviously I have to be nice. Anyways, so I say namaste auntie and she says namaste beta and I kid you not, मुझे उनके पीछे से ऐसा लगा कि a woman wearing like a black and white kurti, black patiala pants और पायल, पैर में पायल लगे हुए थे. She was wearing black sandals and she was holding a plastic cover. It didn't seem like anything freaky, okay? And she went in and दरवाज़ा बंद हो गया. So I was like, you know what, let's just wait for the lift to go down या आप जहाँ भी जा रहा था lift so that I can then go because मैं usually ऐसे avoid करती हूँ society वाली आंटियों को because it's awkward for me. I don't like talking to them. They're not, some of them are bitches but even the ones who aren't bitches, यार मैं क्या बोलूँ lift की ride में. So even though it's not that deep now that I think about it, but I just waited for the lift to go down. I waited for like a whole minute. I waited for a whole minute for the lift to go up and down. It just stayed there. I'm not going to tell you which floor I live on, but yeah, ऐसे it was showing my floor का number and I was shocked because यार अभी तक तो नीचे जाना चाहिए था उसको या ऊपर जहाँ भी जा रहा था. And so I clicked the button to open the lift and it opened and nobody was there. Nobody was there. Do I make some good pasta or what? Bro. sweet mother made me mango shake at 8 a.m. in the morning. 8 a.m. in the morning. Finishing my revisions. I always regret not studying, and today is one of those days. I want to do a lot of मस्ती. मुझे मस्ती करनी है भाई. ये क्या घिसी पिटी पढ़ाई करा रही हो मेरे से. Fuck studying bro. Fuck studying. मुझे अभी बहुत disgusting लग रहा है. I need to wash my hair. I haven't done it in 5 days. That's disgusting, especially in the summers. नहीं होती है मेरे से भाई. नहीं हो रहा है. Let's see if मैं पेपर को फाड़ूंगी या पेपर ही मुझे फाड़ देगा. पेपर ही मुझे फाड़ देगा. मुझे तो वही लग रहा है. Let's call the shots right now. If I do not get ready to go to college, my brain is not going to know that I have somewhere to be or I have work to do. तो मुझे कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं करेगा. एग्जाम हो गया. यसूदी बट हु सेज यू कैन नॉट हैव फन. एग्ज़ाम चलते हुए भी हम करेंगे मस्ती. पैसे नहीं है तो हम सॉफ्टी खा रहे हैं. क्यों क्रेजी भाई.
तो नहीं करना चाहिए. होप ले लो तुम.
फॉल्स होप्स होगी. चल ठीक है होप्स दो. अगर कुछ करना है उसके साथ रिलेशनशिप में रहना है तो दो.
सही नहीं. मेरा तो क्लियर है.
अच्छा. I'm on my way to give another exam today. It's been quite a few days since you saw me the last, but yeah, because I had a minor breakdown. Anyways, I'll see you later, alligator. Exam is fucking done. Finally. I can chill now. अभी तो मैं रास्ते में हूँ. I'm going back home. We have quite the to-do list today. So basically कल मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड का बर्थडे है. She's turning. Why should I tell you how old she's turning? मैं क्यों बताऊँ? देख भी कौन. चार लोग रहे हैं. But yes, tomorrow she's getting married बोलने वाली थी. Tomorrow उसका बर्थडे है. तो मैंने अभी इस प्यारी से जर्नल में मैंने टू डू लिस्ट बनाया हुआ है. So basically what we have on agenda is to edit a vlog, to make a document of all the photos that I want to get printed, and obviously make a card. I have to buy some compound chocolate to make the frosting for the cake. I'm thinking cupcakes. You know, बहुत traditional हो गया यार cake. I want to do something different. Also got her a watch. She has a silver watch, but of lately she's been a lot into gold. उसको like gold jewelry, and you know she's leaning more towards gold, and I wanted to gift her a gold watch. So मैं जब बैंगलोर गई थी, मुझे वहाँ के मिले हुए पैसों से मैंने एक गोल्ड वॉच ख़रीदा है. And I hope she likes it. It's 3 in the morning and I'm so tired. But I'm almost done with her card. Should I show it to you? Well, I still have to add like a few more elements, but I'm mostly done. I'm writing something here, and I'll probably stick a few things here, and I'll be done with it, and we can go sleep. Oh my गॉड आई लुक रगड, चूतिया लग रही हूँ मैं. बट एनीवेज, हाय चैट. I just finished getting ready. I baked the cupcakes, but I'm planning on, you know, ordering like vanilla ice cream. उसके ऊपर मैं vanilla ice cream डाल दूँगी and cupcakes के ऊपर vanilla ice cream डाल के I'll stick the candles and it's gonna be so cute. Also, I'm trying something new with my makeup, which is gel eyeliner क्योंकि मुझे eyeliner करना नहीं आता है. And I'm so happy it's looking good. Or does it not? I have to watch this clip to make sure it looks good. But I'm done and I'll be leaving in a few minutes. How do mommies make the literal best food on earth? I don't know what I would do if I did not have my mother cooking for me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sneha. Happy birthday to you.
सनसेट आपके लिए थैंक यू योर बर्थडे गिफ्ट बेस्ट सनसेट है. शकीरा के फैन है क्या?
युवाक्षी है, मुझे रील भेजेगा. सब चुपचाप हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलो. हैप्पी बर्थडे जिसने नहीं बोला उसका बर्थडे का हैप्पी नहीं होने दूंगी मैं.
कैमरा अच्छा है.